to the honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, we would like to say thank you for the opportunity to present our innovations, PureVia, a water filtration system based on natural materials. Before that, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Tiffany Celestine.
My name is Danson.
My name is Lysandra.
In many regions, electricity is available, but clean water remains a challenge. Rivers are often contaminated, and most conventional filters are short-lived and made of materials that harm the environment. Introducing PureVia, a sustainable water filtration solution that uses natural and eco-friendly materials. PureVia ensures access to safe and clean water without compromising the planet.
Now, the question is, how is PureVia made?
The tools and materials that we'll be using for our filtration system include sponge, gauze, 3D printed inlet and outlet ports, scissors, gravel, coconut fiber, marker, cutter, charcoal, pipe, and sand.
The first step, prepare the cutter and sponge. Use the cutter to cut the hard part of the sponge so that the soft part remains. Next, use a marker to draw a circle around the tip of the pipe against the soft part of the sponge. Step 3. Cut the sponge according to the circle that has been made with scissors. After that, plug the sponge into the end of the pipe. Use gauze to cover and secure with rubber. Now that the framework is complete, we fill in the layers. First layer, put sand into the pipe. Next layer, insert the gauze. For the third layer, put charcoal into the pipe. Cover the charcoal beforehand by inserting a sponge into the pipe. Then, add gravel as the next layer. After that, cover it again with sponge. Step 11. Put sand into the pipe. Again, use a sponge to coat it. Last but not the least, insert the coconut fiber into the pipe and sponge as the outermost layer of the pipe. And now, let's see how it works. At the beginning of the experiment, the river water we collected had a slightly yellowish color, indicating that it wasn't clean and might contain some impurities or natural sediments.
Then, we passed the water through our filtration process, and the result was as follows.
To further analyze the result, we used a TDS meter to measure the total dissolved solids and a pH meter to measure the water's pH level. Before filtration, the solution had a TDS reading of 361 ppm and a pH level of 5.87. After the filtration, it had a concentration of 60 ppm and a pH level of 6.81.
Ladies and gentlemen, what makes PureVia different from other water filtration products is not just the result. It's about the materials we use, the affordability we offer, and the sustainability we support. Firstly, PureVia is eco-friendly. Most commercial water filters use plastic or synthetic materials that are harmful to the environment and hard to break down. PureVia, on the other hand, uses coconut husk, a natural and biodegradable materials. This makes it environmentally friendly and supporting a more sustainable lifestyle. Secondly, it's easily available and abundant. While other products often rely on imported or processed filter components, PureVia uses coconut husk, which is abundant and locally available, especially in tropical countries like Indonesia. This means we are using waste as a resource, reducing cost and environmental impact. Lastly, PureVia has a low production cost. Many water filtration products require costly materials, advanced technology, or import parts, making them expensive to produce and buy. PureVia is different because it uses coconut husk, a waste material that's cheap or even free. The cost of production is very low. This means PureVia can be made and sold at an affordable price, making clean water more accessible to everyone, especially in low-income or rural communities. We hope PureVia can be a small step toward a cleaner and more sustainable future. Thank you for your attention.